to live for Jesus. It's my desire to live just like Him. Though often I fail, brought Him much shame, but it's my desire to live for Him. It's my to help someone today, someone who may have failed to see the way. I too once was so lost, but now I found my way to God. But it's my desire to live for Him. If you could see where Jesus brought me from to where I am today, and then you know the reason why I love Him so. You can take this world, its wealth, its riches. I don't need them all, but it's my desire to live just like Him. If you could see where Jesus brought me from to where I am today.